and today we'll be making monkey bread. In a small bowl, stir together brown sugar, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Now we're going to do these two for nutmeg. Yay! Next, some nutmeg. My bad, guys. Sorry, guys. It came out a little bit. Now you mix. Spray the counter with this. I already did it. Then put your and now take your dough and then try to make it into a square and then cut it with some scissors. Now what we're gonna do is you're gonna cut this strip and then you're gonna do it into little squares. And then after that, you're gonna roll and then dip it in, and then place it on your pan. Hi guys, I'm done doing what I need to do. So after you're done rolling the monkey bread and stuff, put your plastic thing over and then you're gonna bring it over here and leave it in a warm place. See you in 2 hours. Peace out!
2 hours later.
Preheat oven to 350 and then cook it for 20 minutes. Let it cook! Now, we're going to let it cool for 5 minutes and then flip it upside down.
Oh, hell no, man.
Guys, now you're going so first it's made out of confection sugar and then milk and mix well together and then spritz it on your monkey bread. Oh, guys, I can't wait to try this. Perfection! So we're gonna try it now. Never tried this before. Okay, let's try, guys. Let me just put it over here. Okay, ready? I love 10 out of 10. Thank you for watching. You can make this any